Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Myth of Empires Throne game on PC, and this game is completely free to download. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to store page, and in search the store, search for Myth of Empires Thrones and then click on this game. And you can say play Myth of Empires Throne free to play. So click on play game button. And here you will see Myth of Empires Throne and the size is 56.17 GB. So click on install button and then go to library. And here you can see Myth of Empires Throne game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Myth of Empires Throne game for free via the Steam launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.